I need a lightweight and not so expensive electric screwdriver, so let's have a look at the Bosch Go 3. This is the Bosch Go 3. It has a 3.6 volts battery, 2 amp hours. It can do max torque of 5 Newton meters and up to 360 rotations per minute. Let's open the box up. Not a lot that you can see inside. A very big manual and some safety notices. We're gonna put this aside and have a look at this very nice carrying case. If we open it up, we can see that it comes with a few bits and an adapter. This is a non-blocking one. And if we open the case up, we have the small Bosch Go 3. This has a locking bit. It even has some batteries. Didn't expect that. It has a clutch. This is a manual mechanical clutch. From here you can set the direction to forward, back or lock. In order to activate the screwdriver, you can push and it will start rotating, or you can press on this button. So either way will work. It doesn't have separate batteries, you cannot change them, but it does have a USB-C charging port, which is very nice. I can use it with mostly any charger available. It feels very nice in hand. I like that I can simply push on it in order to screw or unscrew, but mostly the option to also manually control it. I don't like the versions where you have to actually twist the screwdriver in order to go one direction or the other. In time it can get to hurt your hand, and I don't want that. I want just something which is simple, easy to use and has a decent quality. We'll see how it goes on the long run, but basically that's it for this screwdriver. It doesn't do a lot of stuff. It's not a professional screwdriver by any chance. I've seen people trying to test it by screwing into hard wood or stuff like that. I do have Milwaukee professional tools, so this will only be used for PC components. Well, now we can pack everything up and you can get this small carrying case in your luggage or go anywhere you have a small job to do. That's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if so, please don't forget to like and subscribe.